Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox and have a first look and impressions at the Crucial X9 portable external SSD. Well, I've gone with the 1 TB variant. Let's get started with the unboxing. I will also show some speed comparison text across my internal Mac SSD as well.
As you can see, this is a package in which the SSD comes in. It is a simple cardboard package and it says portable SSD X9 being the model from Crucial. It mentions 1 TB and it says that speed is guaranteed up to 1050 Mbps, and also you get a Adobe Acrobat free trial, I think for 1 month. And the package is simple, nothing fancy, and that's okay. So let us try to open this box and look what do we get inside the box as well. Opening it up, as you can see, you get the SSD itself and a USB cable to transfer the same. The cable is type C to type C, and I think the quality of the cable is pretty great. The connectors at both the ends are pretty sturdy, so I think for normal wear and tear, as you use the SSD daily, it will be lasting pretty long. Other than that, you get the SSD itself. Let me unwrap it for you. So as you can see, this is the SSD itself. It's really small in size. It comes with a protective film. I will take that off later. And at the back side it says 1 TB and the model name, that is Crucial X9 portable SSD. One thing which I notice about this immediately is the size. I will compare the size with the palm of the hand. As you can see, the size is really small. I did not expect it to be this small. Let us have a look with the scale and see how much it measures. It measures 6 cm in length, 5 cm in breadth, and I think the thickness is less than about 0.7 centimeters and something like that. So yes, the size is really small, and this is the port where you can insert the cable as well. I did not expect the size to be this small, because all the SSDs which I had, they were pretty bulky, and even the SSDs from other brands were slightly thicker and even larger. But I think that is the thing with technology, it just keeps on getting better and better. And also in the box you get My Leo Photos Plus subscription, which is for 3 months. It is a code which you can apply and get it for 3 months, but after that I think you will needing to pay for it, so that is also a good thing. But do start it only if you like that software, otherwise after 3 months you will have to pay. And this is just a quick start guide where you can get started about your warranty and about downloading the software. For Mac there is no software, and for Windows you can download the software from the Crucial's website, and that allows you to set up few things such as the momentum gauge and all those things which are present for Crucial. But for Mac there is no such software, and if you want to get started with a backup on Mac, I think Time Machine will be a great option, as it allows you to do exactly that, which is not present on Windows systems.
And as you can see, this SSD, the enclosure is made up of plastic, but I think it is pretty durable, and also the size is very small. So that will be a very convenient feature to have inside a pocket as well. I got this 1 TB SSD for 7,000 rupees. I think this was a great deal for the speed of 1050 Mbps. Also, Crucial has a great track record when it comes to the durability of the SSD. I'm already using a internal SATA SSD 2.5 inches one. That was the Crucial MX 500 series since 3 to 4 years, and still it is working great on my older laptop. So I think there will be no issues with the durability part as well. Has any of you used it? Let me know if you have any doubts about this SSD in the comments below. Like this video if you found this useful, and also don't forget to share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.